are a family-run waste management company based in Rainham in Essex.
Myself and my brother started in 1983. My brother Tom, Mum and Dad were a big part of the company as well. Mum would take the orders, Dad would help us keep the truck running, keep everything above board. In fact, he lent us the money to buy the first truck and a few skips.
The company has grown enormously, and it still is day by day. First of all, it was obviously my uncle and my dad, and now it's my dad, me, my sister, and plenty of other family who work in the office with us.
If there's a challenge that comes up, we know we're all going to do it. We're going to focus on it and solve it together. Every day is different. The goalposts in the industry are always changing, and that keeps us on our toes, and that's something pretty exciting actually.
Over the years, we've built up the company really on customer service. We concentrate on customer service. We've still got customers with us now that was with us the first day we started. We take it personal. It's the name Sharp on the truck, that's our name, and we take it personal if we let anyone down.
When you're in an industry where the customer service isn't always priority, where that is our priority, it means that we can stand out, and it's enabled us to grow. The process for ordering a skip from us.
If you run the office here, you will probably have the phone answered within 2 or 3 rings.
We will take your details, you'll let us know what size you need, or we can advise you what size you might need.
The waste is picked up by a skip lorry, grab lorry, or any vehicle that does the haulage.
Our foreman will check the load, make sure there's nothing dangerous or hazardous in there.
If there is something hazardous in the loads, then we'll take it out, quarantine it, and we'll deal with it appropriately. The waste is tipped up.
It's a pre-salt before it goes into our MRF plant. Once it goes through the plant, there's 25 pickers up there.
And that's where we put off the renewable products.
Afterwards, we send the reports to the customer so that they know the amount of waste that's come in from their site, the amount that's been recycled, and the amount of different products that have come out from their waste.
I'm Emma Sharp, Terry's daughter, and I'm the Qualified Health and Safety Officer for Sharp Skips. Here at Sharp Skips, health and safety is at the forefront of what we do. We have systems in place to ensure we remain compliant and have a safe working environment.
I would say the future is going to be a big focus on renewable energy.
We're striving to recycle 100% each month, which we tend to hit.
With the recycling system we've got, it's state of the art. We're looking to grow more and more in the next year or two.
Environment is a big focus, so there are going to be changes with the vehicles that we're using to supply our services to customers.
We're looking at getting into renovation of houses, big complexes in the local area, Havering, Barking and Dagenham.
We've got a great team around us, but at the same time we are still a family business. There's 3 generations been involved in the business.
When people have been here for such a long time, as like our staff have, they become part of the family.
And that's what gels together to hopefully keep the customers happy and coming back.